There are millions of unplugged oil wells in the United States, which pose a serious threat to the environment. Using drones, researchers from Binghamton University, State University of New York, have developed a new method to locate these hard to locate and dangerous wells. New York State has an estimated 35,000 abandoned oil or gas wells, while Pennsylvania has more than 600,000 dating back to the early days of drilling. Overall, the United States has an estimated 2 million urban wells. These wells pose multiple risks. They release methane into the atmosphere, a far more potent greenhouse gas than carbon dioxide, along with chemicals such as benzene, carbon tetrachloride, and chloroform. Through sunlight-driven chemical reactions, methane also increases tropospheric ozone, which is considered a pollutant connected with respiratory distress. If all the urban and abandoned oil and gas wells in New York State were plugged, the equivalent of nearly 750,000 metric tons of carbon dioxide could be removed from the atmosphere, which is the equivalent of removing the cars of Buffalo for 1 year. There are economic reasons to plug gas wells too. Left uncapped, these wells make it difficult to re-stimulate older oil fields with newer technologies such as hydraulic fracturing. Plugging the wells is the right thing to do, but first we need to find them. In the year 1879, New York State became the second state in US to record plugging wells after their useful life has ended. But that plugging requirement was poorly enforced until modern regulations came to the state in the year 1963, and what constituted plugging in those early days was crude by modern standards. The greatest concentration of unplugged wells lies in the western part of the state, especially near the border with Pennsylvania, and in southwestern counties such as Cattaraugus. Currently, State Department of Conservation staff must go out on foot to identify and plug these wells, an incredibly slow and inefficient process for even a small area. Long before the invention of satellites and global positioning systems (GPS), locations were recorded on crude hand-drawn maps, which are often inaccurate. Sometimes these maps underreport well sites or record wells that ended up never being drilled. Some areas are completely undocumented. To find abandoned wells, researchers outfitted a drone with a magnetometer that can detect magnetic anomalies in the well's metal casings, pinpointing their location. But before the technology could be deployed in the larger field, they first needed to do multiple smaller test trials to ensure that the process works as intended. For example, every drone has a unique magnetic and electromagnetic interference signal that needs to be compensated for. The researchers have been testing the technology as a way to detect unexploded ordnance in Ukraine and used advanced signal processing methods to determine the optimal parameters necessary to increase the signal to noise ratio. In previous experiments, they also tested flight elevations over the tree canopy. They finally tried out the well detecting drone at a Cattaraugus County site where 11 wells had previously been mapped on foot. It worked. In just over 3 hours, they located 72 wells.